Hello students, welcome back to the third part of Unit 9, Carry Out Food and Beverage Service in Guest Room. Our learning objectives from this session will be: explain the importance of maintaining proper records. Maintaining proper records. Now, why record keeping is important? Well, we all know record keeping of any activity is important for your future references. To find out the indifferences or the problems which a department normally faces. So in this scenario, in IRD department, record keeping is done to ensure that the service of food and beverage is done on timely basis at the guest room by the service staff. So, the system follows here a stamping machine. The stamping is done, or you can also say punching. This is normally done, one, in order taking area, that is in the room service department, second in the kitchen department. The whole punching process would be taken place in two areas, one in the order taking area and another it will be in the kitchen area. So first and foremost, punching will be done by the order taker when he or she receives the order. Then after receiving the order, along with the guest check and with the captain order, it is sent to the kitchen. Then second punching will be taken place at the kitchen. Third time punching will be done once the kitchen staff prepares the food and hand it to the service staff. Fourth time punching will be done when the waiter himself arrives at the door of the guest room and mentions the time. Final or fifth punching will be done when the waiter, after the service is done, comes back to the department. Now this whole stamping process is normally done to find out the timing between the order taker receives the order, then the timing it has taken for preparation, after the preparation to the service of the food to the guest room, and then again the timing between the service and the waiter's return to the department. Now, what is the importance of the monitoring system? So the whole punching or the stamping process is done to find out some reasons. First is, if there is a delay in the cycle of service, so that investigation can be done where the delay has been taken place. Second, analyzing the average time for processing orders. So second, to analyze the time taken to process a order from order taking up to serving of the food. I hope you have understood the session. So we have come to the end of part 3. Kindly open part 4.